last night getting his Jazz hat, and that's just the first of many Jazz logoed items that he'll be receiving in the next few days. That's very true, yeah.
In other words, this is going to be a different Jazz.
It will be. It'll have a different feel.
Totally different. And I'll bet they're not done yet. I'll bet
could be right.
I think they have still something up their sleeve. I do.
Okay.
Just my feeling. I have no inside sources. Although I know a few people, nobody said anything, totally guessing, but not about the weather. Let's go outside and see what it looks like right now. Sun coming up over the Wasatch Mountains. It is going to be a very warm day today. We're going to call it hot, but this morning it is nice and pleasant and cool after yesterday's high of 87. We are starting at 60 degrees this morning. So you say, Dan, how could we be hot today? Well, that ridge of high pressure is building in. The air is very dry, and temperatures tend to swing significantly from really cool to really hot because we live in a desert climate. Now, where it doesn't do that, let's look at the United States, is in the eastern part of the country. They have so much moisture that moves up from the Gulf of Mexico. It collides with cool Canadian air, and strong to severe thunderstorms form along a cold front, which is extending from Michigan south towards the panhandle of Oklahoma and Texas. This is monsoonal moisture, but right now it's being pushed along and near that cold front. And the only way we'll see that is if the high pressure moves into the Four Corners area, and that may happen about Sunday, maybe late Saturday, so we could see a few thunderstorms this weekend in the eastern and southern sections of the state. But it looks like the bottom line is this ridge of high pressure is so big, so strong, it is going to cause temperatures to rise well above normal. We're talking 5 to 10 degrees hotter than normal during the hottest part of the season. So look for a very, very warm day today. And speaking of that, here's your water usage. We are 26% under the 2010 water used. And the reason is we had that cool June. Now that it's getting hot, look how this curve starts to go up. And what we don't want to do is get above this line right here. This is the 30-year average. So keep watering, and this time of the year when it gets hot, you have to water, but do so at night. Don't do it during the day. Be conservative. Water every third day. You get the idea. In other words, be conservative. 61 now in Salt Lake City, 51 in Great Falls. Here's where the moisture is. Notice it's being pushed along and east, south and east of Salt Lake City, so no chance for any thunderstorms today. Not even the northern part of the state, not even in the mountains. This ridge is so strong, though, by Friday, temperatures are going to rise another 5 degrees, and we are going to hit the hottest temperatures of the season. Now, some of this moisture could trickle around sometime late Saturday or Sunday and provide some thunderstorms in the eastern and southern sections of the state. But hot weather today, hotter tomorrow in the north, about the same or a degree or two warmer in the south. 110 in St. George today, 95 in Richfield. So hot weather today, but even hotter tomorrow, 111. Slight risk for thunderstorms over the mountains on Saturday, Sunday, a little drier next week. 88 in Rock Springs, 92 Ogden, 94 Salt Lake City, and it is going to be 100 tomorrow with 99 Saturday, 97 on Sunday, and then slowly cooling back to the mid-90s next week. So there you are, forewarned about the 100-degree weather tomorrow. Lightweight, light-colored clothing, and lots of liquid.
All right, Dan.